garden bench is a great addition to any outdoor space because of its simple, clean lines. The process of building it starts with the forms, which are built from these pieces of melamine. Melamine is great for concrete forms because its slick surface releases well and leaves a smooth surface. I'm using screws to attach the sides of each form to the base. The large piece will be the bench itself, while the two smaller ones will be the legs. Next, I seal all of the inside seams with caulk before cutting reinforcement wire to place inside each form. For this amount of concrete, a wheelbarrow and a garden hoe are the best tools for mixing. That also allows you to pour it into the forms more easily. When the forms are half full, I add the reinforcement wire cut earlier before adding more concrete. When the forms are full, screed off the excess with a piece of wood. Tapping the forms on all sides helps release air bubbles from the mix, which might show up on the finished concrete surface. When the concrete is dry, remove the forms. To secure the seat to the legs, I'm drilling holes in the top of the legs and the bottom of the seat. Steel rebar pins go into the leg holes before I add construction adhesive to the surface. Now the seat can be attached by lining up the pins with the holes in the seat. After a little sanding to smooth the rough edges, the garden bench is ready to enjoy.